to the off rent of the equipment. And again, lots of opportunity for making sure that the software is really helping you to get that correct. And we've called it here preventing downtime because in actual fact, from the time that the client is phoning up to say stop the rental of the equipment to the time that that equipment is back ready to be put out with another client, that's downtime. And we want to make sure that that time is as limited as possible because all of that time is cost to the business. So how do we do that? Well, there's certain things the software should be doing. So for example, if that equipment is not picked up immediately, the software should be alerting constantly your teams to be saying, right, well, look, there is some equipment out there. It's not being charged for, but it's currently sitting on a client's site. We need to go and get it. We can also look at, okay, well, once we're starting to do the optimization of the routing again, is there enough space on the vehicle to go and pick up some equipment? Let's say that vehicle is already out on a route. So we want to understand if there is space on that vehicle, and the planner should be able to see that. Once the driver gets to site, we want to be taking things like a signature, but also photos. We want to do a full set of photos all around that equipment and make sure that we can do the comparison of those photos to when we delivered that equipment. And then when that equipment is coming back from site and comes back into the yard, we also want to make sure that there is a check-in process for that equipment. And ideally that check-in process needs to be separate from the driver so that we can doubly verify what the driver has said is coming back.